Have you ever imagined having complete control over an Android device? Imagine the possibilities that come with such power. The power to access its camera, read messages, and delve into the personal world of the device owner, and even control its applications, is a tantalizing prospect. Imagine being able to open any app, change settings, and manipulate the device as if it were your own. While this power can be used for good, it's crucial to understand the tools and techniques involved. The ethical implications of such control cannot be overstated. Enter Metasploit, a powerful framework that opens doors to the intricate world of Android control. This tool is a game changer for those looking to explore the depths of cybersecurity. In this digital age, knowledge is power, and understanding Metasploit is the first step towards mastering the art of ethical Android hacking. With the right knowledge, you can protect and secure devices from malicious attacks. This essay delves into the world of Metasploit, a versatile tool that allows penetration testers and security enthusiasts to assess the security of Android devices. It's not just about control, but about understanding vulnerabilities and strengthening defenses. We'll explore its capabilities, installation processes, and ethical implications, providing a comprehensive guide for beginners and experts alike, empowering you with the knowledge to navigate this fascinating realm responsibly. By the end of this essay, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to use Metasploit ethically and effectively, ensuring that your skills contribute to a safer digital world. The Metasploit framework is an open-source platform widely used for penetration testing and security auditing. Think of it as a toolbox filled with various exploits, payloads, and tools designed to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems, including Android devices. This framework provides a controlled environment to simulate real-world attacks, allowing security professionals to assess and strengthen their defenses. Developed by Rapid7, Metasploit has become an indispensable asset in the cybersecurity landscape. Its popularity stems from its versatility, extensive module library, and ease of use, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned professionals alike. Before diving into the practical aspects of Metasploit, you'll need to set it up on your system. Luckily, the installation process is fairly straightforward. Begin by downloading the appropriate installer for your operating system from the official Metasploit website. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Typically, the installation wizard will guide you through the necessary steps, including selecting installation directories and configuring any optional components. With Metasploit successfully installed on your PC, you're now ready to explore its vast capabilities. For those who prefer the flexibility of mobile penetration testing, Termux provides an excellent platform to run Metasploit directly on your Android device. Termux is a terminal emulator and Linux environment for Android, allowing you to run various command line tools and utilities. To install Metasploit on Termux, you'll need to first install the required dependencies and then download the Metasploit framework files. Once installed, you can launch Metasploit within the Termux environment and start exploring its features. This mobile setup empowers you to conduct security assessments and exploit research on the go. Alright, let's dive into Section 5. Navigating the features and benefits. In this section, we will explore the various features and benefits that make Metasploit an indispensable tool in the cybersecurity arsenal. Metasploit boasts a myriad of features and benefits that contribute to its widespread adoption in the cybersecurity community. From its extensive module library to its intuitive interface, Metasploit is designed to streamline the penetration testing process. One of its key strengths lies in its extensive module library, which contains a vast collection of exploits, payloads, encoders, and auxiliary modules. This library is continuously updated, ensuring that users have access to the latest tools and techniques. Exploits are pieces of code designed to take advantage of specific vulnerabilities, allowing penetration testers to simulate real-world attacks and identify weaknesses in a system's defenses. While payloads are the actions performed upon successful exploitation. These can range from simple tasks like opening a command prompt to more complex actions like installing backdoors or exfiltrating data. Metasploit also provides a unified framework for managing and executing penetration testing tasks. This framework allows teams to collaborate effectively, ensuring that all aspects of a penetration test are covered. Its intuitive console interface allows you to easily search for exploits, configure payloads, and launch attacks against target systems. The console is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to both novice and experienced penetration testers. Additionally, Metasploit's reporting capabilities enable you to generate comprehensive reports detailing the vulnerabilities discovered and the steps taken during an engagement. These reports are crucial for communicating findings to stakeholders and for planning remediation efforts. With Metasploit, you have a powerful tool that not only helps you identify vulnerabilities, but also provides the means to address them effectively. The ethical landscape of Android control. While Metasploit is a powerful tool for security professionals, it's crucial to recognize the ethical implications of its use. Unauthorized access to someone else's device is a serious offense with legal consequences. Therefore, it's paramount to use Metasploit responsibly and ethically. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing, involves obtaining explicit permission from the owner of a system before attempting any security assessments. This consent is essential to ensure that all activities are legal and conducted within the bounds of the law. Remember, responsible use of Metasploit is crucial to maintaining a safe and secure digital environment. Real-world applications and case studies. Metasploit's versatility extends beyond theoretical security assessments. It finds practical applications in various real-world scenarios. Security researchers use Metasploit to discover and analyze new vulnerabilities, contributing to the development of patches and security updates. Penetration testers leverage Metasploit to simulate real-world attacks, identifying weaknesses in an organization's security posture and recommending appropriate mitigation strategies. Furthermore, incident responders utilize Metasploit's capabilities to investigate security breaches, gather forensic evidence, and contain the impact of an attack. Potential risks and mitigation strategies. While Metasploit is a valuable tool for ethical hacking, it's essential to acknowledge the potential risks associated with its use. One primary concern is the possibility of unintended consequences. Exploiting a vulnerability without proper understanding or precautions can lead to system instability, data loss, or even permanent damage to the target device. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial to exercise caution and adhere to ethical hacking principles. Always obtain explicit permission before targeting any system and back up critical data to prevent irreversible damage. Additionally, thoroughly research and understand the potential impact of an exploit before executing it. Empowering yourself with responsible hacking. The world of Android control and penetration testing can be both intriguing and daunting. It opens up a vast landscape of possibilities where you can explore the depths of cybersecurity and understand the intricacies of digital defense mechanisms. Metasploit, with its powerful capabilities, provides a gateway to this realm, empowering you to assess and strengthen the security of Android devices. This tool is not just a software, it's a comprehensive framework that allows you to simulate attacks and identify vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The knowledge and skills you acquire must be used with caution and integrity. It's essential to understand the ethical boundaries and the potential consequences of your actions. As you delve into the world of Metasploit, remember to prioritize ethical considerations, obtain proper authorization, and use your knowledge responsibly. Always ensure that you have explicit permission before testing any system, and respect the privacy and rights of others. Embrace the challenge of learning and experimenting, but always do so within the bounds of the law and with a commitment to ethical hacking principles. Engage with the community, participate in workshops, and continuously update your knowledge to stay ahead in this ever-evolving field. By wielding the power of Metasploit responsibly, you can contribute to a safer and more secure digital world. Your efforts can help protect sensitive information, prevent cyber attacks, and build a robust defense against digital threats. Remember, responsible hacking is not just about finding vulnerabilities, it's about making the digital space safer for everyone.